Since I was making it, I thought that I'd show y'all one more time how to do track listing on the back and how to make text follow a path. Let's do it. Okay, so first thing we're gonna do here, get us a new document going. Yours could be like, I don't know, this could be used in whatever type of design you're making. So it could be any size really. So the first thing I'm gonna do is just drop my photo that I need to use in here, like so. Stretch it up, make sure it fits nice. Now, I want the text to follow like around his body a little bit. So what I'm gonna do is take the pen tool, press the P key, zoom in here, and just keep clicking around. Till I got a good little border going here. And then you just click inside the box. And you can lay your text out how you want. Bam. I'm gonna do that real quick. All right, so you notice that the text, it sticks in the same spot no matter if I shift it or whatever. So I'm just going in here and edit the text how I want it. And that's it. That's how you align text to move in any type of way or path that you want. See, easy. If you got any questions or comments, you can leave them below. Hit like, hit subscribe. Appreciate y'all watching. Peace out.